Okay, today we're going to make French fries, but we're not going to fry them. We're going to make oven baked fries. Can you believe it? They're healthier than the deep fried variety, just as good, and they're going to be so tasty. So I'm Chef Don McMillan. I've been cooking for quite a while. I've had lots of good experience working in a variety of different restaurants everywhere, from starting up a fast food restaurant for the Horn & Hearted chain, working in through fine dining with Davery's in Los Angeles, worked with some of the top chefs in the world, and I've got lots of experience and lots of stories and wonderful tips that I'm going to share with you. So put some comments down below if you ever made any fries in the oven or potatoes in the oven. Definitely want to share some information, as well as hit that like button and to subscribe. And when you do that, we'd appreciate it if you would actually share with some family and friends, because you know it means so much to share the love of cooking. Potatoes, the #1 vegetable in the world. We're going to make some fries. So let's go ahead and peel these potatoes. I've got my handy little peeler here. I love this little monkey peeler, and we're just going to go back and forth. Look, just back and forth, just like that. Look. We're going to peel our potatoes. You don't have to peel them. You can leave the peel on if you like. That would work just as well. But for these, I want to go ahead and peel them. These are the type of potatoes that we actually cooked when I had my restaurants. I had 2 restaurants, and we made these potatoes with fresh rosemary. So we're going to hook that up today as well, so you can see that. Okay? This is what I would call restaurant quality potatoes at home. Potatoes are peeled. We're going to go ahead and cut them and then season them and then bake them. I've got my oven on at 425. Hot. That's right. Hot oven. So let's cut these into fries. I'm going to cut them longwise, like this. You saw I hold my knife, right? Just like that. Not like this. Okay? This is not good. This is perfect. And you curl your fingers back so you have kind of a monster grip. So let's go ahead and cut our fries long. We like them nice and long, and also makes them nice and crispy as well. All right. And then place them right in our bowl, line them up. We didn't get all the eyes because that gives them some character, okay? Makes them look good, all right? They're not absolutely perfect, but they are absolutely delicious. Absolutely. Cut them like this, flip them, line them up, slice down, place them in your bowl. We're going to season them in just a minute. I did put a little bit of water in there as I was cutting the potatoes because I didn't want them to get prematurely brown, okay? They will brown in our oven though. That's what we want it to do. There we go, slice them up. All right, so our potatoes are cut. Now let's go ahead and season them, salt and pepper. Salt, pepper. This time we're seasoning our potatoes with the salt before we bake them. Normally when we do our fries, we season them afterwards, okay? Paprika. That gives it a beautiful little color. And it does have good flavor. If you use Hungarian paprika, you get more of that paprika flavor from it, okay? Olive oil. That's going to give it a nice finish as well. And look at this, rosemary. So this is fresh rosemary right from our herb garden. And just pull them backwards. See how I'm pulling it backwards like this? Look, just pull it right backwards. And then put the fresh herbs right in there. Yes, get them all in there. Got a few strands right here. I'm going to put those in as well. I know sometimes when I'm doing skewers for the grill, I'll take these rosemaries and still with the rosemary leaves on it, just skewer your meat or your vegetables. But that's another class. You've got to check all of our videos. All right, I've got my oven pan right here. Look, I'm going to take my fingers, 2 most important tools in every kitchen, and we're going to go ahead and make these potatoes happy. Oil, rosemary, salt, pepper, paprika, olive oil. Look at that. Look at that. It looks good just like that, but we're going to bake them. We're going to Make these babies go crispy. Yes, all right, on your tray. Ta-da! Now, you don't want them stacked on top of one another, so go ahead and spread them out so they get equal amount of cooking time and heat. Remember I said the oven is preheated at 425. That's a hot oven, okay? These are gonna cook up pretty quick. Let me wash my hands and stick these in the oven. So we're flipping these wonderful potatoes so they cook all sides, okay? I don't want to be all one-sided, but we're doing a really good job just flipping them. Look how they're looking there. They smell so good. That rosemary is coming right through. I want to be sure that they're all flat on the... There we go. All right. In they go for another 15 minutes. Okay, our fries are right out of the oven. Of course, they're not fried. They're baked. But look at that. Oh, my goodness. They look so good. So good. Our rosemary has cooked up along with them. I'm going to take some of the cooked pieces off because we just wanted that there for the flavor. You know what I mean? And we got the flavor. Yes, we do. Lots of good flavor. That's what it's all about. We say that all the time in our classes, that it's all about the flavor. The technique you learn, the taste that you develop. You know, you could do this with all kinds of potatoes and other types of starches. We are just hooking it up, making it tasty. If you don't like rosemary, try some basil, try some oregano. There's lots of good choices out there, you know. Look, oh man, this is a meal and a half. Right there, a little fresh rosemary just for an accent. And there it is. This is our oven baked fried potatoes. Oh, they're so good. Great with any meal or just by themselves. So please subscribe. Let us know by liking us and also commenting. We'd love to hear the comments. We've got so much more to offer. We have a lot of potato videos coming up. They're in the works. They're actually, all you gotta do is click on and check them out. So support us on Patreon. Love to have you do that. Gonna give you exclusive content. Gonna give you behind the scenes action. And we're gonna do it all without no ads. And plus, don't forget, you get to see them before everybody else does. So here are our wonderful oven baked fried potatoes. So delicious. And they are absolutely simple and delicious.